You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, clock. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.